Are you curious what Warren Buffett thinks of cryptocurrency and Bitcoin? I know I am. I actually found a great clip today for you on Warren Buffett and him talking about Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. Uh, Warren Buffett doesn't exactly have the greatest opinion of Bitcoin and cryptocurrency, but I think it's very useful. And I think what is great about this clip that I found is what he says during the middle of the clip, and I'll go ahead and stop it there. When I get to his statement, is actually very inspiring, in my opinion, about stocks and about companies. And I think even if you're one of the biggest bulls on cryptocurrency, when you actually listen to what he says, about stocks and the companies, it kind of doesn't. It makes absolutely no sense to not pursue. That strategy in which he says here. So I'm going to go ahead and take you right into the clip. So you can check out what Warren Buffett has to say. Again, everybody, I'm John Howard, Johnny Investor Howard, and I'm here doing this clip for you today. At the time of this recording, it is Monday, January 4th of the new year, 2021.
Currencies generally, I can say almost with certainty that they will come to a bad ending. Now, when it happens or how or anything else, I don't know. But I know this: if I could buy long.
Real quick, everybody, just so you're clear, the time of this recording, as you could probably see, is 2018. So this is 3 years ago, but it's still, interesting to see what Warren Buffett says over the years about cryptocurrency.
Long-term puts. If I could buy a 5-year put on every one of the cryptocurrencies, I'd be glad to do it, but I would never short a dime's worth.
Have you thought about trading the futures to take a negative position on Bitcoin?
No.
You would not do that?
No. There's no reason. I get into enough trouble with things I think I know something about. Why in the world should I take a long or short position in something I don't know anything about? So, we don't have to know what cocoa beans are going to do or cryptocurrencies. We just have to focus on 8 or 10 stocks that businesses basically that we think are decent businesses. But I do think that
there you go. That is the inspiration for me, everybody. That's kind of really the spirit of why I'm doing all this investor series and all these videos on investing, because I think 8 or 10 stocks it's a great number. I mean, anybody can figure out 8 or 10 stocks that they really like from a really a broad view, right? A broad scope, not just, oh, I like, Bitcoin because of this or that. They actually look at the company, you understand the sector, you understand the financials, you understand certain parts of the financials that make sense to you. For me, I actually did a little research and I kind of came up with my companies, and I'm going to go ahead and announce them to you right now. So basically the companies that are my companies are, number one, I've talked about this a lot, and I bought their stock shortly after their IPO, which was back in 2017. Is Roku. That is a big focus of mine right now in terms of my favorite growth stock that's out there. And number two is Facebook. Number three is Google. Number four is Salesforce, stock symbol CRM. Salesforce has actually been really coming down since the fall, since September. Well, not since September. I guess, yeah, it has since September, but it came down even more since they announced their Slack acquisition. But it's even today, at the time of this recording, again, it's January 4th, 2021, and the markets actually started their first day of the new year down. So it's going to be, in my view at least, it's a pretty good day to pick up some of these companies that you like. And for me, I'll be picking up some Salesforce. The next one is Snapchat. The next one is Etsy. And then the next one after Etsy is DocuSign. And the one after DocuSign is probably, I imagine this year it's going to be my second favorite stock after Roku, is, you might have guessed it, Airbnb. Actually, today I did pick up just a couple shares of Airbnb, because it was about 1% of my, really just one of my brokerage accounts to Airbnb. And I am going to be looking for some more red days there with Airbnb. Tesla is probably going to be in that list, but basically I'm just really not sure. It just keeps going up and up and up and up and up, and I'm not really, sure how much of a growth investment that's really going to be with a market cap now of about 700 billion. So I'm not really, clear on how much bigger Tesla can really go. But there you go. Those are my companies. that I'm investing in and looking to, hopefully maybe 5 or 10x in the next, 2 to 10 years. And again, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 companies, everybody: Roku, Facebook, Google, Salesforce, Snapchat, Etsy, DocuSign, and Airbnb. Let me know what your 8 to 10 are. I mean, if you're not going to have 8 to 10, you're not going to be on the track that Warren Buffett's on, right? So I think everybody can find their 8 to 10 and invest in those and hopefully have a good run. Okay, thank you very much and have a great week. Oh, by the way, in case you aren't already, you can basically generate leads, generate profits, or just generate income from your social media profiles. You can partner with me and the world record holder for the fastest website funnel to hit $1 million, and that record is 28 days. You literally come in and you can clone our funnel and basically make it your own with as little as 90 minutes of training. Our funnels have generated $20 million in sales, so you're going to be off and running with your own digital products business. Also, I came out with a blueprint. It is a wealth and instant credit blueprint. You get 5 guaranteed credit cards from that blueprint, and that blueprint covers credit, investing, online income, financial independence, and then business credit. And at the very end, it actually has about a 15-page guide on all the groups that offer a free credit score, as well as a guide there for the free FICO scores, and then the corresponding bureau of that free FICO. And that guide is only $7, everybody. And it's a 63-page plus blueprint, and I'm constantly optimizing it. Okay, thanks a lot. If you have any questions, let me know.